Hi, my name's Liam. I'm the Senior Biodiversity Officer for Denbighshire County Council, and I'm lucky enough to lead a team of passionate conservationists who are promoting and enhancing the wildlife and habitats within the county. The team includes myself, my colleague Ellie and our colleague Evie, and together we monitor the protected species and habitats within the county. Species include sand lizards, adders, grey-crested newts, otters, water vole, and everyone's favourite dormice. Besides the species work, we also get involved in habitat creation, so native, local provenance wildflower meadows, pond creation, that kind of thing. My role really sees me coordinating a number of species monitoring projects across Denbighshire and the wider North East Wales, whether it's otters or sand lizards. Alongside that, I'm also responsible for coordinating the seed harvesting for the tree nursery, so again, local provenance wildflowers and broadleaf trees. I do hunt out a lot of the rarer species like our black poplars and our wild service trees, and I also provide a lot of guidance and technical advice for residents and for organisations looking to enhance biodiversity on their land. Ellie's one of our biodiversity officers. She's our resident tree planting machine. She's helped hundreds of Denbishire's school children plant trees on their school grounds. Besides that, she also works very closely with residents to help enhance biodiversity on their land, through guidance and advice. She also helps out with a lot of the species monitoring and habitat monitoring and surveys that we do. Evie is the third member of our team. She's also a biodiversity officer, and she's our in-house data analysing expert. She's also our freshwater specialist. She is primarily focused on setting up the monitoring and surveying at the Green Gates Nature Reserve that's in the process of being developed. She will be making sure that everything that we undertake at the site is following peer-reviewed conservation science, keeping us up to date and in line with current methodologies. She is also leading on the SWIFT project and freshwater habitat creation, primarily through ponds. As a team, we're really passionate about nature conservation, enhancing biodiversity within Denbighshire County and wider North East Wales. We love our data and doing surveys and keeping up to date with current science. If you'd like to get involved with anything that we do here at the tree nursery or further afield with the species surveys, you can get us on the biodiversity@denbighshire.gov.uk email.